Okay, so to create a video like this, I actually need three things. I need a camera, a microphone, and a video editor app. Now, the camera is for the video, the microphone is for my audio, and the video editor app allows me to edit both the audio and the video simultaneously, add effects, add animations, and yes, you can actually change your background with a video editor app. Now, there are so many professional video editor apps out there, like the Final Cut, the Adobe Premiere Pro, Davinci Resolve, and lots more. But my video editor app of choice is Filmora because it's very powerful yet light. And yes, it's a paid app, but in this video we'll talk about how to install the cracked version of Filmora X. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. First thing first, you need to get your system connected to the internet, and you can do this by two ways. Either you use your Wi-Fi network or your cellular data. For me, I'm connected to a Wi-Fi network, Redmi Note 6 Pro, and that is what I'll use to download the file and do the installation. Next, you head off to your browser of choice, and mine is the Mozilla Firefox. I don't know, but I just actually prefer the Firefox over Chrome or the Microsoft Edge. No, I don't use it as my default browser. Now you go over to the site called Getintopc. I'll drop the link in the description below. And so next you go over to you type Filmora, and once you do that, your Wondershare Filmora X 2020 free download would be the first option. You click on it. Now, the reason why I prefer Wondershare Filmora X is that it's actually an easy app to edit videos and do lots of those professional tools. Now, my videos have actually been edited on Filmora X right from my second video on YouTube till this one. All have been edited on Filmora X, and it's actually a very good app. What's more fascinating about this software is the system requirements. It actually requires a Windows Vista or a Windows 7 or a Windows 8 or a Windows 8.1 or Windows 10. Actually, my system is running on Windows 10, so I should be pretty okay. Now, you require 512 MB of RAM. That's okay. 300 MB of free space. Cool. And 1 GHz Intel or AMD processor or later. Now, my system is actually an Intel Pentium G2020T, dual core, dual threads with 2.5 GHz, and I have over 6 gigs of RAM, and I'm using a 500 gig hard disk drive, so I should be okay in running this app on my system. So you head off to download 64 bits. It's actually 285 MB. That shouldn't be an issue. So you click download, then it takes you to this site where it processes your download data, and yeah, your download will start in no time, but we're actually waiting for it. And it has started. Yeah, I have this file already. I have it pre-downloaded, so I wouldn't take the stress of downloading it again. So we'll just simply go and work with that which we have already. After your file has been downloaded, you head off to downloads, and it's a compressed file, so you need a compressor to install it. Now I have WinRAR on my system, so I'll extract it with WinRAR. Okay, and they'll ask for a password. Now the password on the site is 123. It's actually an easy password, so you type 123 and you hit OK. Now I'm extracting the file. It's almost done. And booyah, it's done. So we'll move over to the app itself. Now, before you go forward, you would love to off all your protection on your Windows Defender if you're using Windows 10. Now you go over to virus and threat protection, you go to virus and threat settings, you turn them off. Mine are off already. I actually off them before the video started, but you have to off them before you install the app because it contains some malware in it. Now you go over to the Filmora, open 64 bits, you run as administrator, yeah, English, okay. So here we start. Next, accept, next. It's installing, so we'll just have to wait a bit. So the installation is almost done. No, I don't join this, so we are done with the installation. So you have to turn off your data or your Wi-Fi to be sure you did the right thing during the installation. So we are running the software now. This is it, Wondershare Filmora X. So this is the software now. This is our media. Let's just import a sample video. This, and this. So you click on export to, let's say export to device. Now you have this. This is the trial version. It comes with a watermark, and the full version you have to buy it, but you have to log in both. So we want to crack the Filmora so I can actually export without watermark and not still paying for it. So let's get into it. So you close Filmora. No, you don't want to save. My system is actually slow, so you can actually forgive me for that. So job done. My CPU is already throttling at 100%. This is crazy. So we are done. So let's make sure we completely close Filmora. We'll go over to Task Manager. Filmora. It seems we closed the Wondershare Studio. This is it. End task. So we completely closed it. So you go back to your file, then you click on crack. You should see 4 files here. You copy all of them and you go to Filmora. You go to the installation file of your Filmora X. That's this. Now you paste those files you copied here. Replace. We are done pasting. So let's open Filmora again. Filmora. New project. Let's add our sample videos. 1, 2, 3. Now let's click export. Export to device. You can see there is no more options to add watermark or anything. So let's just export to local. Let's name it sample video. Sample video. And we go to settings. We have the option to choose up to 1080p. This is 4K and this is an extended 4K. Now this is a major reason why I love Filmora. You can actually customize your output. Now you click OK. The only downside today is that your file size increases to 19.7 MB, which is actually quite okay. Let's consider it as a 5-second video. So you hit export and you just wait for it to be done. Now if you're having issues while trying to install this app, you can actually drop it in the comment section down below. I'll get back to you. And if you like the video, kindly click the like button and don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to get notified when I drop my next video. From Revi, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.